Now we will start in our series the plugin section, also how we can add plugins, how we can install plugins, and one by one we will use. So in this video we will use contact form 7 plugin. So in the plugin section, install plugins, you can see there are some install plugins according to your hosting, or in localhost you can see these two plugins which are not activated yet. You can see activate is appearing, so you can activate them. Both are inactive. If you want to delete both of them, click here and then bulk actions like delete and apply OK. So we will start from scratch. Install plugins, right now you can see no plugin is here. So how to install the plugin? Add new from here or add new from here, and add new, and make sure the internet connection is working in the local host. Then you can install the plugin. Search plugin like for example contact form 7. So in the different videos I will show you different plugins. In this video I want to show you the contact form 7. So contact form 7, like just another contact form plugin, simple but flexible, more than 5 million active installations in all over the world, and last updated 1 day ago, and it's compatible with your version of WordPress. So this thing is more important, like you will have to check about the plugin, like either it is compatible or not with the latest version of your WordPress or with the version which you are using. And you will have to check the reviews also, and the active installations also. So this plugin is very professional and famous plugin. So install now, just click on install now and it will install. After the successfully installation, then you will have to activate the plugin. Plugin will not fully work unless you will not activate the plugin. So now you can see we can activate the plugin. So just activate the plugin, and the contact form 7 is there. Now let me tell you one trick for the plugins, like how you can change the settings of that plugin. Now there are few possibilities, like from where you can change. See the other things like we discussed: post, media, pages, comments, and in appearance, menus, widgets we have discussed, and other things we will discuss in the next videos. But the problem is like where that specific plugin will appear. So there can be some possibilities. First is like the settings will appear under the name of the plugin. This is the first thing. Second, it can also appear under the settings, this settings. Third, it can create a separate part in the left side, like now you can see contact forms, or in the appearance, or sometimes in the tools. It depends on the plugins where it will appear. But contact form 7 settings are showing here and also here. So contact forms, like you can see contact form 1. So we can see like the short code we can use. If we want to add it, we can add it. So in the form there will appear name, email, subject and message field, and mail, like the admin will receive this email. It's already saved. So what are the instructions of this plugin? Like copy this short code and paste it into your post, page or text widget content. Copy this one. First of all, let me show you. In the contact us there is only this thing. So copy this one, go to all pages, edit contact us, and block here, like you can search for example short code here and add a short code and then enter. So the short code is there, and you can update this one. Now if you refresh the contact us page, you can see the form is appearing there. So it's simple, like short code you can add and the form will appear here. And this is localhost. When it will be online in your domain, then the form will work properly, you will receive email. So this is the method, like how you can add contact form 7 plugin in our WordPress website. thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends.